Now Mark, here's your 427. Give you a description of this combination. It has got a set of our new CNC heads on it. 220s. It's got the Pro-Am manifold, Holley EFI. Great system. Vintage air front end, custom grind hydraulic roller. Front sump oil pan. Show you how it ran here. Alrighty, 3600. It's 466 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 534. Peak horsepower 573. Rated at 575. It's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. Pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, and show one other thing. Alrighty, when you see your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. It's got all your build specs, a lot of tech stuff, dyno video, things of that nature. I highly recommend plug in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have the engine number, some other specs. That engine number, if you need anything from us, is the easiest way to look you up. And then on the flip side, has this UR code. You hover over that, click on it, take you to our site, have a bunch of other technical stuff. So I'd highly recommend watching all this. It will help you in your install. Have a great day.